Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 1. Its title is Be Kind to Animals. Today is Lecture 2, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children. Today we are going to learn to articulate the sounds of letters, page number 5 and 6 of your book. Before this, in English for Grade 1, in Unit 1, I have already taught you all these sounds, how to pronounce A to Z. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to articulate the sounds of letters of the alphabet in random order. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Naml, verse 93, say, praise be to God. He will show you his signs and you will recognize them. Your Lord is not heedless of anything you do. Yes, my dear children, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning Allah will show you his signs. What does signs mean? Means there will be things by which you will recognize Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us. So what is, for example, we are speaking. Who gave us ability to speak? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is a sign of Allah, alhamdulillah. And every day we learn new things. Today, again we'll learn further. And what we are going to learn today? What is an initial sound? And what does initial sound mean? The initial sound is the first or beginning sound. Means whenever you say a word, the first sound which you hear or you utter is the initial sound. The first sound which you say is initial sound that you can hear when you say a word. Okay? So when you say a word, the first sound is initial sound. For example, this is image of a pencil. So when I say pants, the first sound which you are listening is the initial sound. And we know every letter has its sound. So which letter sounds pencil? Which letter sounds like this? It's letter P. So the initial sound or pencil is P. Okay. This is the image of house. So when I say house, the first sound which you hear is house. So which letter sounds? Which letter sound? Yes, you know, you are smart. It's letter H. This is how we recognize the initial sound of words. So let's practice it from your book, page number 5. Here are the pictures, their name. So what we are going to do, read the names of the pictures, pronounce the initial sound of each naming word. Okay, so let's say it. We'll first say the word and then we'll identify the initial sound. What is the picture here? It's butterfly. So the first sound is B and its sound of B. So we know butterfly starts with B. Watch, watch. Crayon, crayon. Frog, tortoise, tortoise. Desk, desk. Rope, rope. It's the way it's like that. Violin, violin. Ladybird. Snakes. The way snake speaks, the sound, the initial sound is also same. Snake. This is the sound of snake as well. Snake. So it's letter S which sounds like S. The initial sound is S. Guava. Quail. Ambulance. Ambulance. Igloo. igloo, umbrella, umbrella, egg, egg, piano, piano, zebra, zebra, cattle, cattle, york, york, melon, 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 x-ray, x-ray, nest, nest, hen, hen, jug, jug, orange, orange. This is how every letter makes its own sound in a word, and the first sound we hear is initial sound. Now it's your turn. Teachers, kindly pause the video here and make every children to say 1 or 2 sounds from these words. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So here is your homework. You will write 5 words in your notebook and you will say them as well and underline the initial sound in every word. So it's a practicing worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are there. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do? You will complete this word and you will say the first sound of every word, okay, the initial sound. So in this way, what we have learned, we recall the sounds of letters, we recall the initial sounds, and we practice the initial sound of words. We articulated the sounds of letters of alphabets in random order. In this way, we achieved our SLO, that is to articulate the sounds of letters of the alphabets in random order. Are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.